Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another unbagging. I can't wait to get home with this one. So even though I'm not exactly like camera ready, I guess you could say, I figured I would go ahead and unbag this with you, and I will do a little bit more video when I get home to show you the rest. I've got my handy dandy pocket knife today, so I'm being very, very careful in my unbagging processes as to not affect anything on the inside of this bag, because this is one of the more expensive items that I have ordered. So here we go. Oh, you can kind of see what it is. So recently I did a multi-pochette accessories hack where I made my Damier Ebene pochette accessories and my Damier Ebene mini pochette into a multi-pochette accessories. And I'm telling you, I did not switch out of that bag for a week. Maybe longer. And a while back, I bought the large pochette from the multi-pochette accessories, and I sold my pochette accessories in monogram, because I wanted to have the D-rings on each end, and I really liked that the tab was in the middle for decoration as opposed to on the end of the D-ring area. And so I did not buy the multi-pochette accessories because I thought it was silly that they were all clipped together. But now that I've tried it with the Damier Ebene, I want one. So I just ordered this. So I will have, I guess, 3 pieces, the 5 pieces of the multi-pochette accessories. I have the chain, which I'm gonna go ahead and clip on here. I have the small pouch, which is this item right here. And I'm gonna give you a close-up look. See, it's got the tab there. And I did notice that on mine, the stamping is a little bit different. And that, I think, has to do with where they are made. And I can show you that when I get home, how the stamping is slightly different. This one is made in the USA. It has a slight odor. It was used lightly. Nothing I can't handle. It's not like smoke or perfume or anything like that. Just a slight odor. So this one was made in the USA. The one I have at home, I think, was made in Spain or somewhere like that. I'll have to check. But I'm going to show you when I get home in detail the differences between the two. And I'm super excited. This looks really nice. I'm going to look at the tag on the inside. Yes, it says made in the USA. And it has a Louis Vuitton Paris leather tab on the inside. The chain is engraved right here with Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you can see that. And then, of course, the little clips say Louis Vuitton too. Well, they don't say it, they say LV. Anyway, I can't wait to get it home and play with it with my other item. I will talk to you soon. Bye. Hey YouTube, I'm back. And you know what that means? It's time to play in my closet. So here is the beautiful item that I just unboxed. I went ahead and looked her over real good. She looks really good. There's a couple little spots where I feel like the glazing could have been done just a wee bit thicker, but that varies depending on where the bag was made, when it was made, who was making it, that sort of thing. This piece I got probably about a year ago, and it was made in Spain. And if you look, let me just turn the lights down just a wee little bit. If you look, the embossing is very faint on this one, and I did have it authenticated. That's made in Spain. And if you look on this one, it's very deep in comparison. Also, look at the canvas. See how grainy this one looks compared to this one is much smoother. Now the bottoms, the smoothness is the same, which I think is really interesting. But anyway, the zipper pulls on these two pieces look identical. The tag on this one, it's going to be really hard for me to show it to you, but I made my own little base shaper to spread it out, as you can see. But the tag is in here. Do you see how wide that tag is in there? You compare it to the Made in the USA one, it's more rectangular. So I am seeing differences. Like I said, The smaller one was made in the USA and the bigger one was made in Spain. And when you clip them together, you really can't tell that they're not a perfect match. And by going this route and buying these pieces separately, I saved about $1,000 off what retail would have been plus tax. And what I didn't get was the coin pouch, that's part of the set, and the strap. And the straps, they sell for crazy, like $600 or something, and the coin pouches sell for at least $400. So that's the difference in price. But what I'm able to get is the pieces that I want. And so I think that the strap that they come with is really neat, but I would be scared of using it. And I also don't like how it says Louis Vuitton so boldly on it, because I don't really want to advertise that I'm wearing Louis Vuitton like that. So, you know me, I'm the queen of strap options. First, we've got the chain that I just bought with the mini pouch. So that would be an option if you wanted to carry it like that. Super cute, but I would probably mostly just leave that dangling. Next, this is my first crossbody option. So I will probably wear this bag like this a bunch. And one thing about this pochette versus this one that I made the multi-pochette with is, see how much wider it is? It's not quite as deep. You can see, well, it's pretty close. Let me see. I think it might be just a hair less deep, but barely. So the capacity of this larger pochette's definitely, I think, going to hold more than this mini pochette. And they're both considered a mini pouch, but I think this one's going to hold more. And on top of that, it's wide enough that it holds my phone. I am loving this combination. The strap that comes with the new model is a short strap like this. This is the new model Pochette Accessories versus this larger pouch is the Multi Pochette Accessories larger pouch. The Multi Pochette Accessories larger pouch is slightly longer, but it's also slightly less wide. So some people have found that this one holds more than the larger pouch on the Multi Pochette Accessories. But since this one is going to probably hold more than the mini pouch, I think it's going to work out to be pretty much even. And I love, love, love that I can put my phone up here. Because what I was doing before with the larger pouch is I was using the organizer and I put my one longer pouch full of things in the bottom and then my phone and a couple cards in each of these organizer pockets. And this organizer is from Soonibaginbag. And then that would be it. So it would be mostly empty most of the time because I had my phone in my hand and then I would just put it in there when I needed to. So let me show you another option for wearing this bag on the shoulder. Since I had the monogram pochette accessories in the new model, which is exactly like my Damier Ebene one, I have this short strap. After I sold that bag, I ordered this one. It was $60, but since it had it on my purchase history, I was able to order that. So that is another option. And I just hooked it on with an O-ring here because it's easy. But actually, I plan on getting some of the little clips like this. I would like to get some from Organize My Bag or Dress Up Your Purse in the mini size to go with this bag. Because I also have the favorite MM strap. And this is the strap I showed you with my Damier Ebene Multi Pochette Accessories hack, except for it was in the Damier Ebene. And again, I have this strap because I had the favorite MM, I sold it. And actually, I prefer this Multi Pochette bag over that bag, hands down. So once again, I hooked it on with an O-ring rather than weaving the leather through here. I just think that's less wear and tear on the strap when you want to take it on and off. And I think it looks nice too. So I don't know that I really need to buy those little clips, but I could if I wanted to. So this is definitely like a dressier look than the monogram strap, but it's also less carefree because this strap here will water spot. Now I have sprayed with Collonil Carbon Pro or Apple Guard, but I still don't feel 100% safe with the Keta. Even when I've sprayed it, I mean, I feel a lot better about it, but I still am cautious. And then my last option, and I have this same option with my Damier Ebene because I've got the Damier Ebene Speedy bandolier strap on that. Well, I have that strap too. So if I wanted a thicker Vachetta strap, I could do this option, which this is super cute too. I have so many options with this bag, and let me tell you, I have a couple more on the way. I found this amazing strap that is one of the webbed straps that has vachetta trim, and I ordered it from China. So I don't know if it's going to be good or not. I hope it's good. I think it's going to be good. But if it's good, you know I'm going to tell you. And if it's not good, you know I'm going to tell you that too. So this is my new bag, and I cannot tell you how excited I am about it. I think I might even use it today, but for now, I just kind of wanted to play with it. I would have never, ever bought this bag if I had not tried the hack with my new model pochette accessories and my mini pochette and damier bin. I mean, I love that combination. And then I love this combination. I mean, this is so freaking adorable. And I have everything I need. And I feel like it's classier with this strap or one of the other ones I showed you than the web strap that says Louis Vuitton anyway. And I wouldn't strap the coin pouch to my chest anyway, because having it swing around while I'm walking would drive me batty. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm Erin, and I'm the Handbag Housewife. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so you're notified of upcoming videos. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I always love to have you. If you haven't found me on Instagram yet, go find me. It's the same name there as the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife. And my email address is the same, just to be simple, it's thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. I love to talk to you through Instagram messages or email, either one. Feel free to message me anytime. I hope you all have a fabulous day, and thank you so much for spending some time with me. Bye.